Lovelies, Jennifer Ciliotto here. I'm back for another Style Fix video, and today we're doing something that honestly I have been avoiding for months, and that is cleaning out this disaster of a closet. In September, I really quickly put away all my summer clothes, and then I never really went back in there and organized it, and it's gotten worse and worse and worse over the course of the last few months. And I'm finding that it's gotten to the point where I'm only wearing the same few outfits because I can't even get in there. So please don't judge me. I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you what a disaster it is, but today together we are going to clean out my closet. Okay, so in September, when I was planning to clean out my closet, I bought these bins from the dollar store to put my shoes in. And I started, and then of course I didn't finish. As you can see, they're down there. So that's the first thing I'm gonna start, organizing all my shoes. And this has been the issue because it's like taking up so much space. I can't walk in there, blah, blah, blah. So that's where I'm gonna start. It's gonna get started. I'm kind of scared. I mean, if this was your closet, would you be scared too? Anyway, just gonna start. I'm gonna get the boxes out, get on the floor, and start putting shoes in. Okay, so basically what I did was I put everything in boxes. I've taken out all the clothes, and I really like the way this looks. I've left the shoes that I'm kind of wearing frequently out so that they're easy to access. And now that this is kind of quite high, I think I'm going to store shorter tops and jackets on this side. Already, this is feeling so much better. Yay! Okay, so these are all the clothes that are on the left side of my closet, and this is really daunting once again. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this, decide pieces that I do want to get rid of because there are quite a few. There's a few things that don't fit anymore. Just as a quick aside, look at this. This, my mother-in-law gave me this summer. It was her great-grandmother's or something, her great aunts. It's all hand embroidered. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've never worn it yet, and there's no reason for this to be hung up in my closet. So things like this, I'm going to start folding and putting elsewhere. Okay, so what I did is I put all the shorter pieces on this side. I've got blazers on this side, sweaters, and then blouses. Already, this feels so much better. And when I'm organizing things in my closet, I kind of like to put like colors together because I feel like when you're getting dressed in the morning and you see the color that you feel like wearing, this is an easier way to sort of grab and feel kind of inspired and fresh about your wardrobe. Already, this is feeling so much better. And honestly, it's not taking that long, which is the good thing. Okay, so now I've organized my bags, my scarves, my Duranola scarves, my Hermes scarves. I gotta deal with the hats, which I will. I think probably the best thing to do is get another box from the dollar store and put them all in and have them on the floor, because for a long time I've had them up here and it just doesn't really work. So this feels good. It may not look super, super tidy, but I like the idea that I can grab bags easily. Okay, so now I'm gonna tackle this side and then I'll be nearly done. so I've organized this side also light colors with light colors. I put sort of like my kind of pretty loungewear things on one side, summer dresses on the other. Really, I could store these, but I don't know. I don't know why I don't. And then on top, I've got my sweatshirts. I'm just going to refold everything. Put away my other two bins. I started this bin of belts, and this has actually been really helpful. And then, I don't know if you remember, a few years ago, I did a video about storing my scarves, and I had them all up here. And then I found that that was getting kind of crazy. So I decided to put them also in a bin, and this has been really useful. So those are going to get tucked underneath, that folded, and then we're pretty much done. Okay, the other reason why it is important to do this is because I thought I had lost a sweatshirt. I haven't seen it in about a month, and lo and behold, here it is. Okay, I did it. Honestly, it didn't take that long, so if you're feeling like you need to do this, I can tell you this feels so good. I am so happy. I'm so happy that I'm gonna get rid of some clothes. First of all, I still need to get a few more bins for my shoes and a bin for my hats, but otherwise, I think the closet looks great. It feels tidy, it feels organized. I switched some things around that I wasn't thinking that I was gonna do it like this, and I think it really works. Have a look.